Top 5 AI tools that can make you $100. Imagine waking up and making $100 every single day using AI tools. No degree, no experience, and you can start today. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 AI tools in 2026 that beginners are using to make real money online. And make sure you stay till the end, because the number 1 tool can literally replace multiple jobs at once. Tool number 5, ChatGPT. First on the list is ChatGPT. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. You can use it to write blog posts, create YouTube scripts, do freelance writing. Example, people are making $10.50 per article on platforms like Fiverr. If you do just 3-5 small gigs a day, you can easily hit 1 a day. Pro tip: don't just copy AI output, edit it to make it sound human. That's where the real money is. Tool number 4, Canva. Next is Canva, perfect for beginners. You don't need any design skills. You can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business flyers. Example, local businesses in the US pay $100,500 a month for social media designs. Strategy: offer monthly content packages instead of one-time work. Tool number 3, Pictory AI. At number 3, we have Pictory AI. This tool turns text into videos automatically. You can create faceless YouTube channels, make TikTok and Reels, sell video services. Example, faceless channels are making thousands using simple AI videos. Combine this with voice AI, and you have a full content business. Tool number 2, ElevenLabs. Next is ElevenLabs. This tool creates ultra-realistic voiceovers. You can use it for YouTube narration, audiobooks, ads. Example, clients pay $21.00 per voiceover project. Pro tip: combine this with video tools and offer a full package. Tool number 1, and the number 1 AI tool, is Midjourney. This tool generates amazing images from simple text prompts. You can sell thumbnails, create digital art, start print-on-demand stores. Example, one viral thumbnail can bring thousands of views, and clients pay good money for that. Bonus strategy: now here's the real secret. Don't just use one tool, combine them. ChatGPT script, ElevenLabs voice, Pictory video, Canva thumbnail. This is how people build full AI businesses. So if you want to start making $100 a day in 2026, pick one tool, practice for 7 days, then start selling your skill online. Remember, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI money-making videos, and comment below AI if you're ready to start.